Hi, I'm Tony Leigh, Global UV Product Manager for Evoqua Water Technologies at Aquatech Amsterdam trade show. A lot of people have been asking about the benefits of this acquisition from Evoqua for ATG. Evoqua have been a technology partner of ATG for over 10 years now. They've had the rights to manufacture our technology in the US and to distribute in the US. But by acquiring ATG, they've been able to bring that technology in-house now. So they've got a common technology platform. From ATG's point of view, this has been a really great move because now we've got access to all Evoqua's distribution channels. So that means more customers can now access our technology worldwide. So here on my left is our new wafer product. This is the product we're showcasing at Aquatech this year. Recently launched in the US. It's the most compact medium pressure product on the market, less than 8-inch installed length for the product. Extensively redesigned with new components to make it safer for operators, easier to maintain. And because of its small and compact dimensions, we think this will now open up the possibility of UV to be installed in a lot more restricted spaces and a lot more applications. So we have huge ambitions for this product. We think this will be a major seller for us in the next few years. So the question, why are we here at Aquatech? And the one-word answer is feedback. We get to meet existing customers, we get to meet new customers in a more relaxed environment. We can ask questions, they can ask questions about the product, and we can use that to develop the products for the future. So a very exciting show to be at. So for all those customers who really want to know a lot more about this great product, please check us out online.